Hello boys and girls, and welcome to Kuchigo Kids channel. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Here you will discover all about shapes and colors. Let's start by learning the alphabet by drawing.
Now it's time for letter T. T for tangerine. Let's start by making the outline for our tangerine. It's going to look like a flat oval. Now let's add some details. How about we draw the inside of the tangerine and see how it would look unpeeled. We're going to start making the slices. And now let's color our tangerine with the color orange. We're going to do the same for the slices of the tangerine. Now let's finish off our drawing by adding some details with the color brown. There you have it, kids, the small sister of orange, Tangerine. And lastly, let's just color our letter T with yellow. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share with other people. Thank you!